What is up, everybody? Hope everybody had a good weekend. Hope everybody's having a good Monday. I'm gonna get right into what's sold over the weekend, and today I'm going handheld here. I'm going rogue. Feels a little strange here going handheld, but using the telephone, the old trusty iPhone. What? I don't have an iPhone. We got a driver's side power window switch, which I bought from a woman off of Facebook Marketplace. She was selling a box full of, quote, new stuff. And it ended up being Amazon return items, which is cool. That was my first time ever doing anything with that. But there's a lot in there. I bought it, there's probably like 50 items in there. I bought it all for 25 bucks. And this is one of the things that was in there. It's for a Honda Accord master power window switch. Sold for $29.99 plus free shipping, apparently. I was feeling generous that day when I listed it and put free shipping.
Isn't that sweet?
Next, we have a Chronicles of Narnia, the silver chair, silver ball.
Took it to silver ball. Play some video games or something.
Got the silver chair. This came, I bought this for, I bought this one, and it was a whole set actually, of Chronicles of Narnia.
Of course I'm a girl.
A human.
Then I realized there was a book missing. So I thought the best approach would just be to split them up and sell them individually. And I've certainly in the profit from that already, so that's a good thing. Next, we got a couple more audiobooks. I'm telling you, these audiobooks, I could sell these things every day. I have been selling them every day, actually. If you don't know, I bought 35 audiobooks from a cowboy for like 60 bucks. And at the time, I'm like, this is kind of a lot of money, but I'm already in the profit. Already doubled our money for sure.
Come on, give it a gander.
Next, we have this Legends of Zelda, A Link to the Past map with instruction manual. Instruction manual's inside, or no, the map's inside. But I bought this from a woman, another Facebook Marketplace deal. Or was it Craigslist? I don't remember. But she was selling a lot of Atari games. I don't remember how many it was. There was like 50 Atari games, plus some controllers and a fuck ton of manuals. And this is the first thing to sell from that lot for $19.99 plus shipping. So that's cool. Next up, you guessed it.
You gonna tell us?
Yes.
You wanna know?
Michael Conley set of 3 sold for $20.99, and I know I just said it, but I'll say it again. I love selling audiobooks. We got a Big Daddy right here, Big Daddy sale, Big Poppy. This is that Big Poppy sale. If you watch my video, the one before this one, I told about how I met up with someone on Craigslist and bought this thing, not knowing really what it is, but I got it for 30 bucks, I think, 30 bucks. Listed it, sold it 8 hours later for 115 plus shipping, which ended up being like, I don't know, $4 or something. So love those kinds of deals. They help the week out for sure. Hope everybody's selling, crushing these days. Have a great week, have a great month. Stay safe. Bye-bye.